Hello guys, this is Priyanka Dubey and I hope you are doing well. So in this module we are going to discuss the basic SEO introduction for blogging and how does it work and what are its key parts. This all will be discussed with the modules upcoming, so stay tuned. So let's get started. So in this lecture we are going to cover what is SEO and why it is important for your clients, and the second is how does SEO works. So before getting into SEO, I would like to introduce you to the traffic, like what is traffic, what are the parts of traffic, etc., and why it is important in SEO. Okay, so traffic is the amount of people visiting your website in a month, in a year, etc. If a large number of people are visiting your website, it means your website is doing good. If a small number of people are visiting your website on a periodic term, it means your website is not doing as good as other people are doing, as your competitors are doing. So basically there are two parts of traffic. The first one is organic traffic, the second one is paid traffic. Organic traffic is something in which you do not pay money for running ads, like for Facebook or etc. People visit your website naturally. You are not you are not giving Google any kind of money, you are not running Facebook or Instagram ads, you are not doing anything at all. People are coming automatically. Okay, so this is called organic traffic. Now the paid traffic is something in which you pay Google the money to show your advertisements to your potential customers. Like you run Facebook ads, you run Instagram ads, people run YouTube ads, Google ads. Why do they do that? Because they want people to see their content, and that's why they are giving Google the money. So this is a paid traffic. Okay, and where does this traffic come from? From the past few years, it has been clearly absorbed that from the Google only, over 1.4 trillion searches are coming per year, which is far more than Yahoo and Bing and any other search platform. So basically Google is what driving the most of the craziest traffic right now, and from there it is coming. Okay, so I hope you understood that what I'm trying to say. Now how does it perform in SEO? Let's see that. Now what is SEO and why it is important for your clients? SEO is basically a kind of method. SEO is search engine optimization, and it is a kind of method which is used to optimize any search item on your site. Okay, for example, if you are going to the Google and you are typing anything like content marketing or on-page SEO or virtual assistant or anything else, so you can see that a short of Google search comes out. Let me show you, let me introduce my screen to you. So if you are going to Google and you are typing content marketing, you can see a lot of Google search results come here. Now see, here it is written ad. So this is a kind of paid traffic. This website is running ads, they are giving money to the Google, and that's why they are showing it up on the first page, on the first search result. Okay, this is also an ad. So these are the ads, and they are not getting any organic traffic, they are giving money. Now the organic ones are this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. These all are organic things. And why they are coming on the Google search result on the first page? Why they are not going to 2, 3, 4, 5 page results? Why they are coming to the first page? Is because their keywords are at place. You got to see that I typed in content marketing and they just appeared on the first search result. That means they have those search results, they have those search items on place. And whenever someone is typing on the Google content marketing, Google scrolls it and it shows, okay, this website matches your search result, they have the best content ever, they are the best genuine content providers, and we are going to give them onto our search result. Okay, so we will discuss it later, but I'm just giving you a brief sketch that how does it work. So these are the all organic things, and they are coming on the first page of the Google search results because they are ranking for certain keywords. Here they are ranking for content marketing. It is a keyword that I searched for. Okay, so I hope you got it. Now coming to our presentation. Okay, so I hope you understood. And it never sleeps. It works 24/7 for your business or your for client business. You see, it's too late in the night and I'm searching and I'm getting the results. It's the morning, it's the evening, whatever time you are in, you are typing it and you are getting the results, right? So it is working 24/7. Your client loves it because it gives them amazing traffic, extremely high ROI, brand awareness, brand authenticity. Okay, so I told you how traffic is working here. Obviously I am typing in, I am getting the result, people are clicking over here and they are getting the traffic. Also, if I am going through the first research results and there is a website and that website gives me what I was looking for, it is giving me a brand awareness, it is giving me authenticity, right? And that's why your clients want you to work for it. Okay, and they are also giving them ROI, as I had explained in the previous lecture that what blogging gives them. So exactly how they are giving them return on the investment. If they are going through their blogs, they are reading it, at the end of the blog there is a CTA, call to action, where it is leading them to a program of them or master's class or a course. They are giving them money, they are earning money from it. They are also earning money from the Google. Also, if they are receiving very good traffic, they can also give ad space in their blog in which they can allow other people to brand their business, and in exchange they are charging money. So you see, they are getting a whole lot of ROI just by getting the SEO at the place and the keywords at the place and the blogging content at the place. Okay, now how does SEO works? Okay, so when any of the search engine looks at your site, it looks down for a specific keyword to rank your site. As I had said earlier, content marketing, I search for content marketing. What did Google does? It just goes ahead, it searched for all the sites available on the internet, that which sites relevant the most for the keyword, that is the content marketing. And it looks at your site and it decides whether it is appropriate to show it on the first page or not. All this in depth we are going to discuss in the coming lectures, but all these things I am just explaining you the brief sketch that how does SEO actually works. Okay, for example, Make Money Online wants to rank for how to work from anywhere. So what is happening here? You are searching for the keywords, for example, make money online. Okay, so make money online, that means it is also relevant to the keyword that how to work from anywhere. So if you have your site these keywords, if you have the keywords how to make money online, how to work from anywhere, how to work from your couch, how to work online in less than 30 days, Google sends it. Google takes its credibility. It shows that okay, this website is all about working online. This website is all about working online with ease. Okay, and it just goes ahead, crawls it and filter out the genuine keywords and show it up to you. Okay, so it is not important that you should use such terms related to your niche only in the blogs. It is also important that along with the blogs you use such kind of keywords in your home page, in your about page, in your service page, in your websites, everywhere. Okay, so this is how SEO basically works. This is a very brief sketch where I have explained how does it works.